Okay, this is devlog 11 for the currently untitled game. I should really start making a name for that now. Uh, I've done a little bit of stuff, not as much as I would have wanted because I've started up college again. But uh, I guess one of the things I've done is I did a little bit of concept art, which I just I'll show right now or something. It's basically just some concept art of the player as well as some of the enemy types that that will be in the game. None of this is like fine or anything. It's just me trying to get a basic idea. Though I also added, I changed the names of a lot of the weapons as well as added two more, which I will show off in a bit. But I also added one more enemy that phases through walls, as well as three perks. So let me show that off. Also implemented a new input system for the keys, so it should be easier to do that stuff now. So this is the Dragon's Breath, which is just the flamethrower. It sets the enemies on fire and basically just works like a normal flamethrower. See that it's set on fire right there, and then there's the Blizzard, which is basically the ice version of that, and it will slow the enemies down. And there's the Wraith enemy, which can like just go through walls and stuff. See, it just like turn that corner like closer than it really needed to. And it could just go through all the walls, so it could appear from anywhere. So it is the more unique perk is this one, which allows you to phase through enemies and not get damaged while you are like doing that like dodge. There's this one which halves your reload time. So that now I think it should be 2 seconds for this weapon. And then this one which just doubles your health. So that means I could just take more hits. Though you still die pretty fast if you just let yourself get crowded. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know exactly what I should do next. There's kind of a lot of stuff I need to do. Like I think I should start implementing some of the art as well as like just trying to get a better grasp of what I want the game to look like. So probably thinking of some lore stuff like that, uh, as well as just general more concept art. Kind of want to add like a melee and grenades. I think those would help, or those would make the game more fun and make it more interesting. Whenever you're crowded, you could just like melee them when they get too close. I do want to add a couple more enemy types, but I don't know exactly which ones yet. And I also just want to further like change how like the weapons are, because I want the weapons to feel interesting. But that's pretty much it, I think.